Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility so you can change color options without delay. Tap Visibility Enhancements, then locate Color Adjustment or Grayscale. This is where black and white comes from. Once there, make sure Grayscale is off. If it's on, toggle it immediately to restore color. Also verify Color Adjustment or Color Inversion is not forcing a single tone. If you see a quick preview update, that confirms color is restored, and you can continue to refine display settings. Now refine the display. Go to Settings Display and open Screen Mode or Color Profile to manage saturation and color balance. Once done, pick Natural or Vivid depending on preference. Natural gives accurate colors, Vivid boosts saturation. Make sure Night Mode and Blue Light Filter are off while assessing color because they can shift tones. If your phone has color balance sliders, nudge red, green, blue until skin tones and whites look correct. This fixes subtle tint issues after disabling grayscale. Finish by restarting the phone so system services apply the new color settings consistently. This often clears lingering black and white artifacts. If color still won't return, boot into safe mode to confirm no app enforces grayscale or accessibility shortcuts. If safe mode shows normal color, uninstall recent display affecting apps. If color remains absent even in safe mode, try a factory reset as a last resort after backing up data. One troubleshooting tip: inspect the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.